Hello. Welcome everyone. Who wants a little sneak peek at some upcoming Dabble Worlds features for 1.7? Yeah. Bring up the debug, the live server here. Dubu does. All right. Just replaying some of your levels that you started making. Notice that the fans don't have as much oomph anymore. They should have the exact same amount of oomph. Because, notably, wind effect, I think fast wind is the exact same as a fan. Well, except for the distance. Like, it's the exact same effect. I think. It's supposed to be. Oh, wait, you know what it is? You know what I bet it is? It's the holding jump doesn't seem to be... Is it? Hang on. Maybe, I don't know. I'll have to do some tests on that. Interesting. All right, who's ready for the face of Dabble Worlds to be changed forever? So, common problem that I'm sure you've all faced. You want to have a little puzzle, like a little challenge area. Let's say, hit a switch with a baseball, except it's like it's at an awkward spot, and it's like, oh, you gotta hit it dead on. Good luck. Right? And so that, like, creates the bridge or something. All right? And so you create this setup, and you're like, haha, here we go. And like, yes, it works. But then someone tries to play the level, and they miss. And then, oop, guess I'll die. No longer. Are you ready for this? Are you guys absolutely sure you're ready for this? The new face is not an orc, unfortunately. I know. Yes, you had to put 4 baseballs there. Wasn't that awful? What if I told you there was going to be a way where you didn't have to do that anymore? What if that was no longer required? Wouldn't that be something? Wouldn't that be something? I'm gonna put a second one here just for safety here, because you could technically get a baseball stuck there. Yeah, and doesn't that seem like a hassle? Well, you know how Mario Maker has pipes that can plop out new items? You know, new enemies, new P-switches, POW blocks. What if there was a way that you could do that in Dabble Worlds? Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you the Dupster. Simply place an item on top of it, and it duplicates it. And whenever the item is destroyed, it duplicates it again. Finally. And oh, you can actually put this within range so that it becomes a puzzle of sorts. You can create actual puzzle levels with this. But wait. I know what you're thinking. Stops. What can we duplicate with this? Could I duplicate enemies to make a never-ending supply of pigs? The answer is, well, you can create 1 pig at a time, and when it's deleted, then it creates another one. That's what you were thinking, right? It fills a very important niche in the Dabble World's world. An incredibly unfortunate name. I know, right? Can you duplicate a stack of 200 pigs? You can, if there are 2 different sprites on the Dupster at once, it will not generate anything. It says no, that's too much. There's too many things standing on top. Now, caveat, it has to be something that is on, like standing on it, which means that items that do not have gravity, for whatever reason, cannot be duplicated. So for instance, sapphire snails, you can't create infinite repeating sapphire snails. Can it duplicate a dabble? I have good news for you. Against my better judgment, yes, it can generate a second dabble. And they are both controlled by the exact same control system. What's more, only the original matters. The secondary dabble can just die. And as long as the original is safe. As soon as the original dies, though... Oh, by the way, don't touch the 2 dabbles together. That's a problem. That slightly destroys the universe. But if you can actually manage... Let me see if I can actually do this by maybe getting a little bit more... There we go. The 2 dabbles can pick up things independently. And if the main dabble dies, that's what matters. Now wait. Before you start thinking about what amazing things you can do with that, may I present to you that there's another new item available. The Dabbot. The Dabbot also responds to player input, allowing you to create setups where you are reading for particular inputs. They are always active. They do not wait to be on screen. They are global. They can pick items up. And wait, there's more. Are you ready for this? They can pick each other up. They cannot jump well. Yeah, you weren't ready for that. They cannot climb. They cannot swim. All they can do is run and pick up and do a very, very tiny baby jump. No, they cannot pick you up. You are unpick-upable. But look at their little baby jump. Meh. Meh. No, they do not stomp enemies. They do not take damage from enemies. They cannot flip levers. But they are destroyed by sprite killers. But I would like to point out an important, very important thing that you can do with this. Boom. Don't jump level. Just like that. You know, hook that up to whatever. Now we have a jump detector. Yeah, no jump levels. You can also do don't hold left levels, don't hold right levels. What is, let's see, let me, do they know how to love? Of course. That's their main operating system. So yeah, there you go. A new nice to have for all the Dabble fans out there. I think that's gonna make some amazing stuff happen. Question about the dupesters. Yes, ow. Can you dupe one thing multiple times on different dupesters? Yes. Each individual dupester is only tracking the thing that it's only tracking its source and its target, or its source and its duplicate. Just a dabble, do ya? So once it has one active, you can just wait for another one. Yeah, they can have the same source, but as you can use multiple dupesters to duplicate multiple things. Next episode is going to be crazy. I'm really curious as to what absolutely dumb stuff happens with this. Again, it can't duplicate anything that cannot stand on a platform. So Sapphire Snails are out. Surprisingly, Porco Rosso is not. He does actually stand on platforms. And it generates a fresh version of whatever sprite it is. So, for instance, actually, I don't think that... Gracie, what are you eating? Hold on. This dog would like to chew on sticks. It was a wooden dowel. Yeah, that was Little Toadette's stick. She's not going to be happy. Yeah, I know. You heading out? Yeah. Everybody say bye to Hovercat.
Bye. I'm very excited.
No, Gracie, get away from the dupster. Oh, I do need to make sure that I dupster sound effect. Hey Dupu. How do you feel about a nice bit crushed bat for the dupster sound effect? Infinite baseball. Yes, you can actually do that now. Like every time that now you have to make sure that the object that you're throwing gets destroyed on a miss. And that can be tricky to do. Not impossible, but tricky. Okay, tonight's plan. Let's crank the jams. Tonight we are going to work on learning. Let me just pull my monitor closer. We're gonna learn how Unity's terrain system works. So just like last time, I've been like half paying attention to like 10 different tutorials, and we're gonna see how much of that I retain. So apparently, this is where it's like I start to see behind the veil and see how like so many Unity projects, it's like, why do they all look the same? Well, like all the like asset flip kind of games, it's like, well, you know what? I gotta give it to them. At least they made a really big, impressive looking single level to play around in. It's like, apparently that's kind of easy. If I'm reading the tutorials right. So all we have to do is create a new 3D object. Terrain. Okay. Loading for a bit. Oh my goodness. Breath of the Dabble. Here we go. Oh geez. Oh geez. Wow. Well, there's our world. Terrain, done. We did it. All right, that's not enough though. We're gonna need something in here. Let's make a sphere. This is going to be our player. Just so we can really get a sense of scale. Oh no! Oh no! We did it! That's big. Oh goodness, goodness, goodness. Wow. All right, all right. All right, let's nest the camera under the player. Let's lock it. No, we don't. No, that's not how that works. This is gonna be a little bit ugly. Because we're gonna need to have... We're gonna need a little bit of a script here. Literally me, ball. Yeah, if we start this right now, like, the camera is... It's not gonna go great. Main camera. Oh, let's actually pull this in. Let's rotate it a bit. Oh, not Z. Y. Nope, not Y. X-axis. Bring it up a bit. Let's bring it out a bit. There we go. Perfect. We have a camera. Incredible. Hudson, how are you doing? And we'll apply forces and such at some point. I mostly just wanted to have, like, where is our player? It's like, oh, it's that tiny, tiny dot there. Okay, so apparently there's our terrain. You know what? Let's play. Yeah, what a game. All right, cool. Player, let's give that player some rigid body. Right? Use that gravity. Game of the year. All right, we're right there. We made it. That was it. I don't want to get too bogged down into, like, scripting, like, camera controls. Although... let's go ahead and do it. Yeah, we ought to. All right, a new script. Camera follow. It's gonna be our script. New folder. Let's throw our scripts in. Camera follow. Open it up. I do want to play the new levels that have been coming out. The new Dabble Worlds levels. Hudson, you missed the grand reveal. We got some very exciting new things coming out for... Oh, I don't even have my bot running, I just realized. We got some very exciting things coming out for Dabble Worlds 1.7. All right, so we want to have... Let's see if I can actually remember the annotations. Serialize... Oh, wait. I hate that this is a thing. I don't like that this is a thing. However, we apparently, every time... This makes no sense. This makes no sense. What is it? What is it? Was it project settings? Editor? No. Scripts? No. Not execution order. Editor. Is it even project settings or is it like preferences? It's preferences. I have to specify, do it in 2022 and regenerate project files. Apparently we have to do that on every project for some reason. That doesn't seem right. I feel like something's busted in the install if that's actually required. I gotta do that to get the IntelliSense going. And for some reason I have to do that every time. All right, now let's see if we can see serialize field. There we go, there it is. Private, whoops. Monitor is beeping at me because it thinks it doesn't have a battery charge because its battery is terrible. Oh, you bet, you bet. Yeah, the dabble zone is gonna be a pretty big deal. Private, game object, camera target. All right, what we're gonna do is, let's see. I want to know what the offset initially is. Oops. That was me, Whenever Germdove gets like 2 follows in a row, I get really nervous if it's not from a raid. Oh, SNES is good. That's my jam. Now, granted, that's because that was what I grew up with. So I feel like everyone has a sort of nostalgia for the thing that they grew up with, you know? Let's see here. Camera, distance. All right, and when we load, we're gonna set that equal to transform.position minus camera target dot transform dot position. I think I might have this backwards. And then every frame, we're gonna set our position equal to camera target dot transform dot position plus our camera, I guess camera delta. Let's see, does that math work out? Yeah, that math works out. I think that'll work for just maintaining position. The reason I don't want to nest it as an object is because we have a sphere. It's going to roll around. Followers for you. Oh, Dupu, you have no idea. I get heart palpitations. It's ridiculous. So now I can tell it follow player. Let's see if that actually works. Hey, there we go. Cool. So the reason I didn't just... If you nest it, it does maintain a transform that is, like, based on the parent object. However, if the parent object rotates, the camera would rotate with it because it's trying to maintain that same thing. I would open in separate tabs forever instead. That works. That's all it takes. Okay. Do we get a little bit of basic movement going, maybe? Maybe just a little bit before we really dive into the exciting stuff. You know, just to tease you a little bit more. Let's see. New script. Oh, actually, there's something I haven't really looked into this, but there is player controller. That might be an character controller. Character controller. I don't think that's what I actually want. Never mind. We're doing it from scratch. Ball controller. Where did my... Here we go. Throw ball controller in our scripts. And open it up. Trying out Beatbox. Not very doable in Beatbox. At some point, I need to try out, like, some other, like, more... Some things with better samples. Like, even if it's something, like, super approachable, I'm okay with. Like, I kind of like Beatbox. It's like, I feel like I'm kind of, like, doing something really neat. It's like, ooh, look at this. These strange symbols and squares are turning into music. But then, like, things like, I don't know, GarageBand, as far as I know, is like drag some pre-made, like, melodies on top of pre-made bass lines and pre-made drum loops. I'm sure it's possible to make your own. All right, so update. If input dot button down, key down, axis, get axis. I think this is all it is. Like I can actually read into this, right? Let's see. Parameter axis name. Well, I mean, that doesn't really help me much. but I guess it'll work. Float. Get our X. I think this is how you do it. And then we'll apply a force. Let's see. Oh wait, we need a rigid body to apply a force. So we want to have rigid body RB. Okay, component rigid body. I love the IntelliSense. I love the predictive stuff. Hey, good job, Al. What a gamer. RB dot force, add relative force. What's the difference? I think, oh, relative to its coordinate system. Oh, okay. So like if it was rotated, it's like I could say add force from the global left, or I could say add force relative to the entity's left. I think. Add horse, yes. Add force vector 3. So we need a vector 3 in here. So let's go ahead. Force to apply equals new vector 3. X input 0, Y input. I think. Force to apply. What else can we can do force mode. What are our potential force modes? Do it as acceleration? Sure. Ignoring its mass. Using its mass. Okay, let's do that. I assume that's the default. All right, that might be enough right there. I don't know, maybe. Let's find out. List of numbers in a text file, then prints out on the end of the text file. I am proud of you. That's basically Dabble Worlds 2. You're right. Okay, it's doing get access, so I don't think that will work. However, controller maybe will work. We're gonna find out. It could be something else is totally screwed up on this, but we're gonna try it with the controller and see if that's all we need. Okay. Oh, input axis horizontal is not set up. Is that because I didn't have a controller plugged in, or what? Nope, that is... Okay, so I need to go here and figure out Unity, input get axis. What do I give it? Oh, I was close. I was very, very close. It is Pascal cased. Capital H. All right, now let's try it. Oh, hey, you know what? I can use keyboard. And I can use, oh yeah. If I go very, very baby steps, then rolling around at the speed of, oh geez. Uh-oh. That was a close one. All right, we have basic movement. One last thing, let's apply on our rigid body. No, on our, well, I would think it would be on rigid body. A little bit of drag, just a teensy bit of drag. That was a close one. We would have blue screened. I don't want this song. I want to skip this song. That's my crumbling castle of Strawberry Jam Beginner Lobby, as far as music goes. Make of that what you will. All right, let's start working on terrain. So we have this terrain component right here. We're gonna ignore the collider is what actually gives it collision, but terrain component here gives us the ability to actually just start painting the terrain. Inspire. So apparently this is it. Like, this is all it takes right here. We can change the brush size with... There were some hotkeys, I remember. Nope. So we can make big brush. Oh, too big. Too big. Raise or lower terrain. So yeah, left click to raise. Hold shift and left click to lower. Whoop. No. Let's make that less strong. Okay, we got a nice bowl shape now. And then we can do like this kind of thing. I can't tell what, I can't see a thing. Let's, how do we do paint? We need to edit our detail. We need to add a grass texture. And we're gonna tell it to use, oh dear, grass. We might actually, oh, hidden package. Click to toggle packages. No, okay. We might actually need to import some textures here, because this does not look like the kind of textures we want to have. Luckily, I think we can do that pretty easily. I hope. Window, package manager. Wait, hang on. I remember the step. Package, general, package manager, log level, no. Assets, no. Window, package manager. It's like experimental such and such. Pre-release? Is it a pre-release? Is it still a pre-release package? Because I think the tutorials I was looking at were from like 2020 or 2019. Oh wait, here we go. Built-in? Terrain. It is enabled already. Well then. In that case, asset store. Oh, okay. So that opened in my browser. Terrain. Free. Terrain sample out. Terrain tools. I'm just looking over at the. We got a lot of different things we can check out here. I guess you guys might want to see this, huh? All right. So here we go. Here's our most popular terrain textures. So we got, ooh, look at that. Grass, stone, clover, rockiness. I don't want a generator. I just want terrain textures. 4K from Texture Haven. Well, that looks more detailed than I wanted. Sure. Hello there. I don't want terrain tools. What is this? Nature renderer subscription. What? No. All right, you know what? Let's just use the one from Unity. Let's try this. Okay, add to my assets. I accept. Added to assets. Open in Unity. All right, I think we did it. Never seen any of these in real life before. Apparently you've just not touched grass. Okay, download. Don't look at my internet speed. All right, we're gonna see what happens here. We have the basics. You better not be. Let me get my eye on you. No, Pixel! What would Curbska say? Okay, now do we import into my project? Sure. So this is just sample terrain assets. Collection of assets. Okay, high resolution height maps. And I think it should have some actual textures based on the pictures we were looking at. All right. It's been preparing for 23 seconds. 24, 25. Looking respectfully. Has package manager dependencies. Okay, sure. I trust you, Unity. Put a lot of faith in you right now. It's all in the name of Ball Catch Pro 2. Helpers. Packages are being resolved for 20 seconds. A lot of resolution here. 30 seconds. It's gonna be amazing. You guys just hang on. Ball Catch Pro 3D'er. I got ideas. I got ideas of what we can do in 2 hours. Sounds good to me. It's got a picture of a dolphin next to it. Now that's a guy who can resolve things. All right, we've been loading for 60 seconds. I'm looking around to make sure I'm not missing some alert box I'm supposed to be hitting OK on that it's waiting on. I don't see anything. We'll see. Look at this intense game development going on right now. Oh. Okay, now things are happening. Shader graphs, render pipelines, visual effects. Render shader visual, render shader visual. Yeah, now things are happening. I saw math. I saw the word math in there. Editor, high definition, model, interface, node, control. There's all sorts of very important. Oh, here we go. 2 minutes, 7 seconds. Honestly, Dupu, based on what I've been seeing in the tutorial and the thing where it's basically just like a WYSIWYG editor kind of stuff, I'm like, oh, that's what game development looks like, huh? There's like not much programming happening. What have I been doing learning programming? 2 minutes, 35 seconds. Oh, reloading script assemblies. We are at 2 minutes, 45. Oh, good. Hit the 3 minute mark. These assets are going to be amazing. They better be. The BCP meta is shifting. No, see, I had ideas. See. What if you are the ball? 1 or 2 more green bars away. Man, what do you do if you're a game developer? And now you have to wait 5 minutes for a thing to install. It's like it's gonna break your flow. I guess the idea is you get all this stuff done at the beginning of the project. Sometimes. I went with calling the project Terrain Explorer DX. You know, that leaves it pretty open-ended. It's like the only thing we know for sure is there's terrain to be explored. DX. All right, don't you throw another green bar at me. For real, for real. French. No cap? Oh, good. We'll get more green bars. I'm just gonna turn on Mario Maker. I did finally beat that level, by the way, and it sucked. Hey, all right, here we go. Whew. Oh, what is this now? HDRP, huh? Assets. I want materials. I want assets. Give it all to me. Yep. Give me the readme.pdf. Give me the TIFFs. Give me those hot brushes. Yep. And give me those third-party notices. Import them. Yeah. Reticulating assets. My spline. The wizard has arrived.
You are in the presence of the wizard of HDRP. HDRP wizard at your service. I will check your configurations and your default path settings. Behold! Grass A normal.
It's the third voice.
I shall let you pass if you can conquer my unit test.
Okay. Green bar. I'm done with green bars, I think. All right, we have terrain sample assets now. A lot of things. There is an issue. Okay. I'm gonna leave this as it is and hope for the best. All right. Edit details. Add a grass texture. Oh, I see things. I see textures. They're kind of tiny on here. Oh, that looks like grass to me. Grass A base. Heck yeah. What's all this then? What's all this then? We're gonna, I don't know. Can I just, hang on. Shader, terrain brush, terrain layer, textures. Terrain. Okay, here we go. So I should be able to just drag and drop it right there, just like that. Wait. No. That's not right. That's not right. Detail mesh is what we want. Right? No, that's not it. Just kidding. Paint trees, paint terrain. Okay, that's for the paint texture. There it is. Okay, this is what we were looking for. Terrain layers. Add a layer. Grass. Bah! It's grass. Okay. And then edit terrain, add another layer. Dry grass, sand, rock. Dry grass and sand. Why? You know what? Sure. Let's get some sand and let's get some nice stony rock texture. Okay. Now, I think if we just like, I think we can just like, yeah, look at that. Look at that. Okay, so let's go back over to terrain, raise lower. And let's make a, ooh. That's something. Oh, let's make brushes read only. Why is this brush read only? Oh, no other brushes? Ooh. Ooh. Can't I rotate these brushes somehow? Not like that. There's some hotkeys on this stuff here. Let me hit this little question mark over here. Brushes. How do you rotate? Isn't there a way? Maybe not. Shift scroll, alt scroll, yeah. Whoop, no, shift is down. Alt is rotate camera. There was something like if you hold down such and such letter. Open brush. Oh, ooh. Uh-huh. I mean, that's not exactly what I wanted. But it's something. We're getting some terrain of sorts. Oop. Okay, we got a nice little canyon to hang out in now. Let's see here. Unity, terrain, brush, scatter. Oh, here we go. Common shortcut keys. Here we go. All right. A controls brush strength. Well, how do I actually... I'm holding A. Shift A enables eyedropper. Shift temporarily enables smoothing. I don't know if this is like the right thing. Might be this. I don't know. Could be something else going on. All right, let's make these mountains nice and rocky. Oh, that looks awful. That looks absolutely awful. Look at that. Look at that repeating pattern going on there. Can we edit that somehow? Edit layer. Edit terrain layers. Replace layer? No. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Tile settings. Yeah, let's bump this up. that doesn't look much better, does it? You know what? Let's actually just see what it looks like from inside the canyon. How about that? Oh, that's a problem. There we go. Whoa! The ball. Oh, that's actually kind of fun to just roll around. Maybe those fellows over at Sega have a decent idea. Now we're talking. Rings. You gotta roll through the rings. Oh my gosh, I'm going fast. That's amore. And not a fan of the heavily repeating pattern. But you know what? That's fine for now. Okay, so let's see what else we can do here. We can paint texture. And give it a nice smaller brush size here. Just kind of, oh, that's definitely not what we want. Some nice low line sandy bits here. Should probably save the texturing for last, huh? Kind of soften that out a bit. All right, so we want to raise and lower terrain here. So like, what is, how are we, just like click a lot? Boom, 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 boom. I mean, that definitely is adding some texture to it. Whoop, not that much, please. I mean, maybe if I just make it a big brush. Yeah, just click a few times with that. Give it some nice bumpities everywhere. Boom. What if you make the pattern? Yeah. Ooh. Boom. Well, that added some noise. That shook some things up a bit. Should do that enough times at different spots and it should do something, right? Get this little area right over here. Okay, okay. Make it nice and small. Like, to really kind of just add some terrain. This looks awful, doesn't it? All right. So we got this big area to roll around in. Let's, we can smooth the height a bit. Just a little bit here in the middle, some. That's definitely what we wanted to do. Trees! No trees defined, huh? Oh, I'll add some trees. Show me tree. Show me plant. Oh, we need some trees, right? Where'd I put the asset store? Give me the trees. Where are you hiding the trees? free trees. Let's see. Realistic tree, lemon trees, mobile trees, dry trees, low poly trees. Oh, there's a lot of different kinds of trees, guys. Tree, bush, lake, all of them. Let's see here. What else we got? What else we got? Okay, then things get a little bit weird. Surprised that there wasn't any trees in here for a terrain. Yeah, just bushes and grass. All right, well, let's do realistic trees. They don't look super realistic to me. World space trees. I mean, they look okay. They don't look great, but they look okay. I mean, they're free. What are you gonna do? Conifers. Give me the conifers. Open in Unity. All right, let's see how long it takes to do these conifers. Download the conifers. Let's see, what else we got? What else we got? I was expecting there to be some kind of like tree pack that would have some decent looking trees. We'll go with the, let's see, limit it to free. We'll go with the realistic trees, sure. Throw in those realistic trees. Just throw it all in my project. This is why Unity projects are always like ridiculously huge and like for doing nothing. This is why the hello world of Unity is like 5 gigs. It's because people like me are just downloading different types of trees. We're gonna try this. More things for my game. Nice, yeah. That's why the Skunk bundle that GQ played had a random inventory system in one of the games for a game that had like 1 item you could ever get. Open in Unity. Download these beautiful trees. Wonderful. Okay, so now we got some prefabs for Tree 9 and conifers. Okay, so now if we open terrain again, we should be able to add a tree type. What even? Okay, so if I just add like one of these, Tree 9 number 4. Sure. Number 4 looks good. Add it. Okay. And then we can add another one. Let's add some conifers. I will save the conifers. Tree 2. Add that. We got 2. We got 4. We've got 3, 5. Oh, you can't multi-add. I guess that's okay. So it's like my naive assumption is like, oh, it's gonna sprinkle out some some models into the world, but I'm pretty sure the trees are like handled like somehow with some magic. You know, because if you throw 1,000 trees down, that's not 10,000. Let's reduce that. There we go. There's our trees. Aren't they beautiful? They have some issues. Bash into the terrain. Yeah, there you go. All right, so let's see here. What happens if we just play it as now? What does this look like? Oh, right, and then I keep forgetting that my player is like deep under the world. That didn't happen last time, did it? Let's throw the player up a little bit. Already looking better than Sword and Shield. Aww. Where's my player? Player, focus. Oh. Oh. Focus, focus. Where are you? Where did he go? Where did he go? Oh, down here. Where is the focus? That's transform, focus, focus. Like, I think it's just, oh, there we go. Okay. Double click on it to focus. That'll do it. Oh, you know what that is? You know what that is? My camera transform. I didn't bring that back up. I should have probably, whatever. We're just kind of eyeballing this for now, just to kind of learn the tools. Obviously, this is not where I would spawn a player. Ooh. All right, all right. Ooh, that's awkward. Look at this, look at this. You can, all right, you can see the LOD models. Yes, they were. So, there's different level of details going on for the trees, and that's them switching to, I don't know, their billboard form. So we need to obviously work on that a little bit. Do they have collision? That's a good question. I think I saw a check mark related to collisions. Let's see. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop, wait. Nope. That is what you call not collision. All right, let's see here. Terrain, trees, tree collision, edit. No, not edit trees. Trees, terrain collider, enable tree collider. Oh, well, It might be because I don't have a physics material assigned to it. Tree colliders are enabled, however, if it has, wait, does our player have, if our player also has no material on its collider, yeah, it just has none. So I don't think that matters because it's still colliding with the ground. I wonder if there's something in, was there like a readme or something for this import that I just breezed right by? What if I was supposed to use, what is this? What is that object? Tree9.unity. Tree9.settings. Oh, lighting settings. Oh dear. This is intense. Let's see here. So, random tree rotation, yes. Coloration, sure. Like, what happens if I just put this? No, that's not. What if I do this? No, that doesn't count. Okay. So it has to be one of these, which is a prefab object. In the fifth, inside the terrain component. Let's see here. The 5th tab inside terrain. Oh boy. 5th tab. Oh, here we go. This one. Oh geez. All right, we got settings. We got lots of settings. Okay. Detail distance. Wind settings on grass. Preserve tree. Proba. Holes, light mapping, lighting, texture resolution, holes settings, mesh resolution, terrain data, cast shadows. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, draw. Yeah, so that's just for the terrain itself. Trees. Yes, trees. Okay, so this is the tree section right here. Not much going on there. Oh, billboard start. That's our, Ah-ha-ha! There we go. How much can we handle? Yeah, maybe these trees just don't have... Whoa. Trees are actually hierarchical? I love that. I mean, that's how you should do it, of course, but still. Okay, so this is the tree object, the prefab. So let's see here. Rainbow tree. I mean, this may just not have any... Let's see. Package content. Prefab, FBX, material, PNG, reviews. Does anyone mention anything about colliders? No. I figure somebody would have complained about that if it was just like something about this asset. I mean, why would it not have... All right, let's look at this other thing. Let's see if this other one we grabbed. Conifers. Oh, this is just like oh geez. Meshes, textures. Oh. So what happens if I, for instance, let's just mess with some stuff, you know? What if I just remove all these? Or let's just add. Can we just add conifer? Does this even have a texture on it by default? Let's just see what happens if I place down some oh, see, those are swaying. So there's already some extra stuff going on in there. Let's see what goes on. Let's see if these collide. Granted, I just smacked those down and just hoped for the best. Oh! Oh ho ho! Well, that's something. Also, this does not look like the texture is right on this, right? That looks like something is wrong. These trees came out wrong. All right, we're gonna have a conifer forest then. How about that? That's so weird. Let me just try one more time. Interesting. Very interesting. Huh. Mario music. I see what you did there, Al. Yeah, these just look like it's all screwed up. Like I don't think I did those right. That's all I'm saying. All right, we got trees. Now we can. You know what? Let's do another 2,000. All right, now we can just start painting trees, right? Tree. Oh wait, I bet it's here we go, brush size. So if I shift click, that will delete trees. And if I just click, then I add tree. Oh, jeez, that's a lot of trees. Let's make it a little less dense, huh? Oh, it's it's too steep in some spots. Like over here, I get. No, maybe not. Oh, wait. Oh! It's the draw distance is the problem there. Well, that's too many trees then. Yeah, we can have a few up top. Why not? Maybe? Seems weird, but not out of the question. Oh, you know what? You know what's an idea for our little camera follow script? Just have like a camera angle. Dot. Not position. I thought it was rotation. Rotate, yeah. Oh, that's a quaternion, right? I knew that. I knew about quaternions. So instead of maintaining position, because now what we can do is just nest it under the player. Like this. And that should just work. Oh, it looks beautiful, doesn't it? Into the forest we go. Oh, okay, yep. Hold on. That's the thing I was trying to avoid earlier. That's why I was doing that, wasn't it? Alright, hold on. Okay, so we will maintain. Alright, screw this angle thing. Right. That's why I wasn't keeping it nested. So instead, let's just have the player and the camera under a single object that I can now move around instead of... There we go. I'll just move them together that way by nesting them under one object. All right, this force of movement, I need that to be so much stronger, please. It's my linear drag is too much. We'll try that. I guess we can edit it while the game is going. That still sucks. All right, let's add a private float move force. Let's try to triple it. How about that? All right, we're gonna be zooming through here. Also, this looks so ugly, admittedly. All right, all right. I can kind of steer through the forest now. I need, you know what I need? You know what I need? I need camera controls. I 100% need some camera controls. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. How do we do camera controls? How do we get input? Hold on. Input. Project settings? Is that input? No, that's got to be somewhere else. Input window. Preferences. There's like this whole input thing I remember playing around with. Let's see what's in analysis UI. Component, game object, no, not an asset. It is project settings or something somehow. There's like an input system. It is project settings. Okay. Input manager. Okay, maybe this is it. Okay, what I'm interested in is, all right, we have horizontal and vertical, but what is, oh, get motion from all joysticks? I would have sworn, hold on. No, okay. It's not, it's completely disregarding right stick, which is good. That's what I would like. I was just expecting. Okay, vertical axis. Mouse X, maybe? Is that it? Huh. No. Dude. All right, let's see here. We'll Google it. I hate to give in and Google it, but that's just how you get things done these days. So whatever. Unity right stick gamepad. Okay. You have to name the Y-axis control mouse Y and the X-axis control mouse X. Okay, so it's saying use... Oh, or you can use roll and pitch? What? What? So it's saying that mouse X and mouse Y are the axes associated with. I mean, we'll try it. So we're looking for mouse X. So let's throw that in our in this right here. Float X look input dot get axis. Apparently it's mouse X. We're gonna try it. We're gonna see what happens. Transform dot. Ooh. How do we rotate a quaternion? It's too many. Okay. Transform dot rotation dot rotate. Set look rotation. Force to apply. Rotation is a quaternion, right? Yeah. Okay, hang on. Maybe there's a static. Quaternion dot Look rotation. What does that take? A vector 3 forward and a vector 3 upward. Oh, creates a rotation. Okay, that's something. Rotate towards. From to, no. See, I know what axis I want to rotate around. You know, I want to rotate around just the y-axis. Just to the left or to the right. That feels like it should be straightforward. All right. Quaternion rotate around axis. Let's see here. Angle axis is one option. Oh wait, here we go. Take that quaternion and rotate it by quaternion Euler, not Euler. That's Euler. I've got a friend who would be very upset if I said Euler. Let's try this. Let's just see if this works. Let's not even worry about the rest of it. Some old oily math dude. Okay, I'm not getting anything from input X as far as I can tell. Or from mouse X, whatever. Let's see here. I feel like I should do debug.log xlook. Not as good as Moonrover. That's true. I mean, that is true. Let's see here. Oh. Okay. Maybe all I need to do is, let's see, type, just change this. Okay. Ugh. Why is there not like a look X, look Y? Why is there a whatever? Whatever. We'll leave. So the name is purely just a name. That's all. So we're just gonna change this to joystick. Oh my gosh. Let's try third axis. And then for mouse Y, we'll say that's joystick fourth axis. Let's see which one actually does something. We're gonna try them both. All right. Am I getting anything in the console? Nope. Also, I'm realizing that this should be multiplied by our time delta. Delta time, whatever. Way more than 12 axes. I know. So let's see. What is it then? What is it? Joy num. 3 and 4, 4 and 5. Oh, wait, not joy num. Joy num shouldn't matter, right? All right, look on horizontal. What does this have? Get motion from all joysticks. Okay, so joystick in this instance refers to controller, I think. I think that's what it's calling it. And it's saying get x-axis, which is the first input. Actually, you know what? I got just the thing here. I've got just the thing. Gamepad test. Okay. All right, so axis 0. First axis is X on the left stick, Y on the left stick, X on the right stick, Y on the right stick. So yeah, it should be axis index 2, which is number 3. Joysticks and scroll wheel. Oh, you know what? I probably need to change out all this stuff then to match this. Gravity 3, sensitivity 3. Let's try it. And dead 0.1 is what it had. Let's try that. Maybe. I'm still getting nothing. Wow. Impressive. Impressively nothing. Huh. I would have thought that would do it. Button pressed. Right stick. Stick control. The right stick vertical is the 5th axis. Whoa. 4 and 5. Somebody's saying 4 and 5 here. You know what? I'm willing to give it a go. Well, 5th and 6th maybe then? Indexed? Well, then what would the other ones be? You know what? Let's just do 5 and 7 here. Let's just go crazy. Let's go nuts. Oh! We're getting something. Okay. My vertical is responding to that one. So that would be 7th axis? No. So this is the one that it's responding to. 5th axis is vertical. So we want 4th and 5th. Jeez. All right. Whatever. The important thing is we got there. Right. Sounds good, Hudson. All right, let's see if we actually rotate now. Oh, ball simulator. I don't feel like it's actually rebuilt because I removed that line. Did I save? I did not save. Okay. I'm gonna do this. And I'm not even sure what I'm gonna do here. We're gonna figure it out. All right, reloading. Let's see what happens. Can we please rotate our camera? Oh, I don't feel like my controller's doing anything. My controller's not doing anything now. Why? Interesting. Very interesting. What changed? Okay. Progress, question mark? Nope, we are powerless again. I don't know why. But we no longer have the ability to move. Did I break something? Hello? Project settings, input manager. Horizontal is still x-axis. Vertical is still vertical. Oh, apparently that's the dead zone on these. And then mouse X, mouse Y is on 4th and 5th. Is there anything else I wanted to do on this? Not that I can see. I don't know why. Wait, maybe it's not... Maybe it should be key or mouse button. Because that's what the other one was set to. I don't think that should affect everything else breaking. All right. Nothing. We got nothing. We've completely lost control of our game. And I have no idea why. So that's neat. Why? I don't think I changed anything that would have done that. You can play it back. You can go back through the VOD and see that I made no breaking changes, right? All right. We have mouse X and mouse Y, which are only affecting that. If we do get axis horizontal, get axis vertical, that should be reading this input right here. Which you should be able to use A or D. That's still listed as horizontal, yep. I'm just gonna tell it to rebuild. See if that does anything. There, I added a space. You better rebuild. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. I mean, if this doesn't work, we can get raw access or something. Nope, nothing. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. Very curious. Very curious. What could it be? What could it be? Is it anything in the script? What if I debug.log x input? Just show me what my horizontal input is. Nothing else. And it's really interested in this HDRP, URP, yada, yada, yada. So maybe I need to look and see what's going on there. Oh, that didn't help. VFX library. Yeah, I'm sure gonna figure out what's going on. Please assign your chosen render pipeline asset in the graphics setting. Graphics. Project graphics setting do not refer to an asset. Check settings, graphic scriptable render pipeline. Sure, I'll look up the scriptable render pipeline. Check the settings. Oh, right here. Well, I don't have an asset for that. And I don't have an asset for that. So I guess I'm going with new. Yeah, just throw that one in there, right? Done. Ta-da. How's that? Is that good enough for you? Is that what you needed? Project graphic settings do not refer... It sure does. I can see it right there. Build. You won't. I'm getting a lot of 0 here. Very suspicious. Well, we no longer have input. That's less than ideal. We should have the ability to have a horizontal input right here. I didn't change any of this, right? Key or mouse? Is it key or mouse button? I'm gonna try and change this back to joystick axis. Because that's what seems like it should be. And I don't think I changed that, but you never know. Save it, play it. I lost the game. Oh, it's logging information again. It's not doing much with that. However, it is... Wait. Oh! I know what I changed. I multiplied by time delta. Now that... Wait, no. I changed 2 things. And they may have been unrelated to one another. This time delta time. So honestly, what I should be doing here probably is put this in fixed update and drop the delta time business. Just do it on the physics update. So time delta, it's multiplying it by the number of seconds. Whoa! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Bye. Reference script on this behavior. What behavior? Are we good? Did we do it? Okay, we can move. Can we rotate the camera? No. Move force. Let's bump that up pretty significantly. I said. Oh, okay. That was too significant. 8. 8 feels pretty good. Oh, the ball is rotated. So when the ball collides with something, it may rotate, so its left, right, up, down gets modified slightly. So add force. Add force at position. No, add relative force. No. I would think that just add force is correct, but I don't know now. Oh well. This is not working though. We're not gonna have a complete game by the end of tonight after all. I feel like I'm an hour behind. Okay, 1, -1. Oh. Is that because main camera... Well, let's see. No, see, that should work.
With ray tracing.
Okay, we set the position. You know what? This is probably gonna... This is probably gonna mess things up, isn't it? This should be in the camera follow behavior. I've been rotating the ball. This whole time I've been trying to rotate the camera, I've been rotating the ball. So that's fun. Oh! Yep, looks good. Looks good. Ship it. Yep. Oh, I'm dizzy. Well, now it's just a nice little walk through the park. You're a ball. Okay, I think there's some kind of rotate around. Right? Rotate around. What does that do? But that's gonna rotate the transform. Oh, actually, that's okay. That's okay, because that's what I want. Yeah, okay. Rotate around vector up. An amount of look. And that spits out what? A transform? Oh, it's deprecated. Use transform.rotate instead. What does this take? Wait, what? Okay, hang on. What parameters does this take? Hello? Wait, hang on. It just said use. Hang on. Oh, hold the phone here. Transform.rotate around. I'm like, oh yeah, that sounds good. That's what I want. And it says no. I give it an axis and an angle. Yeah, I just give it an axis and an angle. 3 dot up. X look. That doesn't make any sense though, does it? Deprecated. Show potential fixes. Well, it's obsolete, so that's cool. It's saying, hang on, you should use warning, use transform.rotate instead. So I'm like, okay, I'll use, oh, it's probably saying use this. Okay, so I give it a vector 3. Let's just try this. Does this do it? This might be enough. Unity is free, yes. At least up until you make a certain amount of money off of your games, then they're like, okay, time for us to have a cut. Which I get it. Well, that doesn't seem like that did... Okay, this dead zone is drifting. Okay, but it is rotating. You have to admit. Just, it's rotating around its y-axis, I guess. Mario 64 camera. We can build a bit. I mean, there has to be some kind of like built-in camera thing for this, right? No, it's just, well, if there is, then it's something that like is external that I would have to download a package for again. Tempting. Let's see here. Camera. Free camera. Easy camera. Camera tool. Easy camera does not have a lot of stars. RTS. Oh, RTS, like actual real-time strategy camera. Free fly camera. 2D camera. Camera controller. How many times has pick a game been redeemed? That's a good question. I'm not sure. Oh, you know what? You know what? I bet we can do transform dot rotate. You had me a little bit worried. Let's see. I want to rotate around. No, okay. I might have to learn some like actual like quaternion math or something. The Minecraft night was really good. Maybe let's forget about the camera looking for now, so that we can actually move on to making this look kind of cool. How do we do? How do we do like good looking? How do we do good graphics for the low price of 50,000? How many balls can we catch? Ball Catcher Pro. Oh no. Let's see here. Something about light needs to be adjusted. For the trees to look good. So that's paint detail. That's for things. This is for things like adding like grass billboards. So this though, no, okay. Wind settings seems fine. Lighting, contribute global. I don't know what any of these things are, but they look good to me. Wind settings on grass. Detail density on trees. Remove light. I don't know. Does that do anything for us here? Is that what the game looks like right now? Is that really what our game looks like? Doesn't look great. Doesn't look great at all. Draw the trees. Don't draw the trees. Do draw the trees. Bake I don't know what that does. Don't know what that does. Don't know what that does. Basic terrain. No, don't draw instanced. I don't know what that does. Don't draw the terrain. Do draw the terrain. Cast shadows, sure. For the meme and for the stream. I see what you did there. Sure, that's fine. Projection culling mask. Target texture, occlusion culling, HDR, yeah, on. So wait, is that actually, oh, directional light? Wanna do anything with that? Strength, sure, yep. Kinda cold in here. Had the AC running pretty much all day today. It was kind of warm. I think there was something. Hang on. I watched like 10 different YouTube tutorials today. Which one would be the most likely to have what we wanted to learn here? This one? Sculpting terrain, adding trees to terrain, improving the lighting. Hold on. Someone's saying go to window, rendering, lighting. All right, I'll check that out. Okay. New light. I don't have any lighting settings set. Maybe I want some lighting settings. Okay. I mean, that didn't seem like that did much. So now we can, what, go to the environment. Ooh. Doesn't seem like it does a whole lot. Source. Oh! Oh. Yep. Gotta be careful there. Let's undo that one. Or maybe just make it a little bit more green. What does that actually do? Ooh. Yeah. I see. Yeah, it does look a little gray. What else we got? Fog. Whoa! Well, that's cool. Probably not quite. Oh. Okay. All right. This is all right. This is looking. It's definitely looking different. What else we got? Scene. Yeah, we're probably not going to mess with any of that. Tinder distance. The Tinder distance, yes. All right, so that's interesting. So you can do some things with that, I guess. How about that? Oh, we're in a tree. I mean, with the low camera angle, you're not going to see much anyway, right now. Didn't I decide I wanted to set this to 8 or something? Maybe more. Maybe more. There we go. Get moving. Get moving. There he goes. He's over there. Get him. See, you'd want something where the camera follows behind you. So that'd be based on the, whoa, we're out of here. Oh, snap. I didn't think about this. Oh. Wow. Huh. Germ Dove. Welcome. I broke it. Yes! Do it, Germ! Get that good time. We're all counting on you. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that went poorly. Well, this fog really makes it kind of, whoops. Kind of difficult. Welcome, everybody! I'm Dobbs. You know me, probably. I would expect, at least. Welcome, Pixel Yosh. Where is the Mario? Show us the Mario. Arr, 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 arr. You know what we could do is we could move our little ball over here.
I think this is what he asked for.
Yeah, that was basically it.
What he asked for.
Asked for. Oh yeah, I need
More
to.
like aren't.
That's it. So I can take terrain, and I can just like clear out a big path of trees if I wanted to. Who's gonna stop me? Boom, just like that. Look at that. I can do that. Amazing. It's very foggy now. I didn't consider this. It might be a little too foggy. It doesn't look that foggy from in there, but when you're actually working on the game, I'm sure there's a way you can tell it to not do that.
The wizard.
All right, guys, here's the idea. Now we're gonna actually make a game in like 10 minutes. Go. 3D object, cube, but secretly, big cube. Like this. Okay. There's our big cube. And then we'll put it like surrounding our area. Like here. Okay. It's a trigger. It doesn't get rendered. Forestation. It's a real issue around these parts. Game zone. Next up, we need an object that you can collect. All right, hold on. Let's zoom in on our player so I can get a feel for size. 3D object, a cylinder. Rotate that bad boy around the x-axis 90 degrees, and then squish it. Smaller. Perfect. Look, guys, I made a coin. Give it a material. New material. Coin mat. It's got an albedo of yellow. And metal. Yes, metallic. Is metallic, yes. Yep, cool. Now throw that on our cylinder. We're gonna call it coin. And now, we're gonna create a new animation. spin. Open that up. Any animation doohickey here. Coin. Enable, disable, keyframe. We're gonna create an to begin animating coin, create an animator and create an animator and an animation clip. Sure, create. Do it. New animation. Done. Well, what did I just do then? Whatever. Add property. Transform we're gonna rotate it along the y-axis. So we're gonna say, all right, I wanna deal with the transform rotation right here. Boom, just like that. Okay, record. Right there, and then like later, I want this to have a rotation of 360 degrees. Boom. Done recording, play it. Wow, look. Doing it. I'm learning how to do this. Apple token. Okay. Except I don't want it to be all curves. Edit these curves. These are some serious curves, you guys. Right here. This one right here. Both tangents, make them linear. Is that how you do it? Why did it loop around there? Give me that dope sheet. Why is it? What is going on here? Why does it go so long? Why is it that long of an animation? It wasn't supposed to be. Oh, no. See, it's not supposed to be that long of an animation. Let me look at this. Did I put another one of these in? Oh, maybe I did. Or is it just always built in to be a 1 second animation or something? How do I affect that? How do I make that not that? How do I make the animation shorter? Spin is not a spin is. Oh, there we go. New animation. Loop time length. How do I change the length of it though? How do I change the length of the animation? Properties. I can't. Okay. Just pretend it's always going to be 1 second then. Move that right there. Okay, whatever. Should be able to put that on the coin? I think. Animator, coin. It's gonna have a collider, isn't it? You know what? I'll go with that. It doesn't have to spin perfectly, right? Well, it'd be nice if it did, though. Also, you know what else we can do? Add a property onto that. Let's transform the position. Let's give this a positional transform as well. Okay. Check it. Position Y. Right here. Wait, that didn't work. Record. Oh geez, that's way more than I wanted. But whatever. Does that work? It does work. It's bobbing. Now if I could just fix these curves. Ah, there it is. There's the one. Okay, right here. Select this, both tangents linear. That's it. That's what I want. Both tangents linear. Save it. Play it. Yeah. Okay, cool. Except I want it to not go so super speedy. I don't know how to change the length of the animation. So there's that. Animator. New animation. I really don't know how to change. All right, Unity. Change animation time. Speed. Select an animation. Okay, select an animation state. Go to the animation state inspector. Find the speed parameter below the motion field. Is that one down there? Oh, we're on this song again. I hate that song. It's just this. Is that all it is? Still seems to be spinning awfully fast. Please drag a model into this preview area. Coin. No, see, that seems like that's just how that is. Open. No. Edit. No. Set the length of an animation in the animation pane. Open your animation in the animation editor. Press unfold all the child hierarchies. Okay. Press Control A. Press F. Now it will fit everything. And now, oh, here we go. You just stretch this out. Okay, that looks much better. Cool. There we go. Yeah. Okay, and coin. Coin does not need to have a collider at all. In fact, get rid of it. Oh wait, yeah it does, because it's got a trigger. It's just a trigger. It doesn't need a rigid body though, I'll tell you that much. Okay, cool. Now I want to make that coin a prefab. Boom, coin is now a prefab. Get this out of here. Game Zone is going to have a script. A new script called Coin Spawn. Originally, we were going to have rings, but now we're not. Coin Spawn. Let's see here. I want to give it a type of prefab. So I think that's just game object. Object spawn type. Is it game object? Is that a type? Isn't that like when you create an object, that's just the base class is just game object, right? Maybe not? I don't know. Camera? What is rigid body? Game object. Yeah, game object. That should be right. Okay, yeah. Serialize field. Serialize field. Is that not working? I don't feel like I'm getting my, don't feel like I'm getting my highlights here. And I don't know why. It's got me a little bit worried. Okay, it's been compiled. Maybe now it will. No. Interesting. Oh well. Okay, coin spawn. I'm gonna tell it coin is your object. Void spawn coin. So I want to do this somewhere random dot. No. We've done this before. Random point in bounding box for Unity. No, that's Unreal. Unity. Pick random point inside box collider. Right, it was this dumb thing. You know what? I'll take it. It'll work. Bar location equals boom. Bounds is this dot collider, right? No, not collider. We have that is a box collider. Box collider is not. I don't like how it's like not. Not giving me anything here. What happened? What happened, dude? Where's all my useful stuff? Where's my IntelliSense? External tools. Yeah. Wait, how'd you lose that already? How did you lose this information already? Oh, we're having a compile issue in CoinSpawn. Okay. Suddenly, we're back. We got it now. Use system.random. No, unity.random? All right. What is your issue? Unity engine.random. How's that? All right, cool. Call dot bounds. Okay, so I want to pick a random location, but then I want to throw it to the right spot on the terrain. I have no idea how to do that. You know what I mean? I want to say I have a location, terrain dot get height. No, get terrain dot collider. Is it called a terrain collider? It is. Location T collider dot get no find no. Let's see, height map, raycast, maybe. Unity terrain collider get height. How about that? Sample height. There it is. I assume, right? Oh, I can actually use terrain dot active terrain dot sample height. There it is. There it is. There it is. Okay. This right here. Just active terrain. Sample height of location. So I don't actually need the terrain then. That's good. So you guys are wondering what I'm doing, right? Don't worry. Plus, I don't know, 0.2. How big is a coin? How big did we decide a coin is? One. So we probably, and that's for the center, so we probably want to go 0.7. What is this giving me? Oh, it's giving me a vector 3. Okay, that makes sense. What is this? Wait, what does sample height give me? Float. Okay. So I'm gonna give it location.x. Yep. Plus 0.7. Location.z. Is that? Oh, 0.7f. That's what you wanted from me. Okay, so we picked a location, and we're gonna create a new object. Create object. Oh, what was this? What was this? Unity, spawn, prefab. It is instantiate. We want it at location. We want to use spawn type, and that should do it. So that's how we spawn a coin. And we're going to do that at start. We're going to spawn a coin somewhere in the world. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get here. Oh, well, that is somewhere in the world, I guess. Really? That doesn't seem right. Do that again. If that goes in the exact same spot, then you know something's up. Yeah, it's just going right there. Why? What? Why? It could spawn it anywhere. Debug.log location. Good question, Pixel. Good freaking question. $420. Dude. That is not where this one is positioned, though. This one is positioned at 295. If I do it again, 379. But again, coin is at 295. What? Huh. Suspicious, right? I'm giving it a specific location to spawn in. Let's see here. Instantiate, position. Yeah, this should work as far as I can tell. I'm getting a random location. I'm setting the height down. And then it should, if things were to go correctly, it should just situate right on top of there. But instead it's going just at some random location. Like prefab. The prefab does not have, oh, it does have a base transform here. And it should not. So when I instantiate it, what is this? What is the location? What am I providing location of? Well, oh well. I guess I can just set. Does this spit out the object? It does. So I guess I can just set. There we go. I can do that. I guess that works. That seems wrong. It seems like that's not supposed to be required. But we'll roll with it. All right, where does the coin appear now? Okay, hang on now. Now you're just messing with me. Coin does not have a location. Why would it be there? Where is it getting 295 from? Come on now. Come on now. The coin keeps showing up in the exact same spot, and I don't know why. You know what? I'm just going to put a coin out here. What are you going to do about that? Wait, what? Why is this coin here? And the coin clone is also here in this exact same spot. Did I miss something? Wait, here we go. My prefab won't spawn in the correct location. No? Like, instantiate is supposed to just create a new object. Like, we did this already in ball catch. I'm gonna open that one right now just to prove it to myself. That the code exists and it worked in ball catch. Wait, is this something about the animation? It is. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, still doesn't make any sense to me. All right, well. All right, ignore Ball Catch Pro after all. All right, we're going to try this way. Something about the animation. Whoop, there it is. It's back. What about... All right, I have really screwed up how animation works. How about that? Okay, there. Now, somewhere in the world, there is a coin. Where is it? Right here. Perfect. We have randomly spawned a coin somewhere in this massive world. Because that's what we're gonna do. Ugh. What a game. Find the little coin somewhere in the forest. Oh no. Okay. And then player on collision trigger on trigger enter collider other tag compare coin needs a tag coin save. Then you gotta go back to the coin and then tag it with coin. Save it. Then you gotta go over here and you gotta say if other dot game object dot compare tag coin. So if you touch a coin, then you get a point. But also then you have to do the function to spawn a new coin. That's got to be somewhere. So we'll give it the we'll throw in the throw in the game zone. How do we do that? How do we do that? How do we tell this to spawn a coin? Give it the player, maybe? How do we do that on Ball Catch Pro? We told it delete the coin, add a point. But in this case, we want to tell it delete the coin, add a point, but also generate a new coin. I guess we could keep track of the coin here and just watch for it to be deleted. Can we do that? Coin dot is destroyed. There we go. We can check to see if it is destroyed. Coin private game object coin to find. Coin to find dot is destroyed. Spawn coin. And then ball controller needs to say other dot game object dot destroy. No? Oh, I need to say destroy other dot game object. And that should do it for everything except for score. This is so dumb. This is such a dumb game. All right, where is it? Tell me where it is. It doesn't help. Oh, geez. Okay. It's over this way, guys. Oh, jeez. I cannot for the life of me go the way I want to right now. Like, I feel like my controls are reversed or something. I don't know. I need to lock the rotation of this or something. I don't know. No, it's like I can't go... It's like I just can't go up. Now, that might have something to do with just the... Right. Yeah, I'm holding up right now. Oh, okay, it is working. I don't know, there's something a little bit goofy going on. Whoa, something very goofy going on with the controls on that. Oh, I see the coin. I see the coin. We're gonna try and collide with it. Oh, overshot it a bit. Got it. It's gone. It didn't regenerate. It did not regenerate. So that's not the way to do it. Well. Where do I have this coin spawn logic on? I could throw this on the balls code instead. The spawn coin logic. Actually, you know what? Yeah, let's do that. Why not? Everything except for coin defined. Wait, what is this on? What was call? That's the game zone. Yeah, we can do that. Wait, was that the game zone? Short. Germ rate. I hope his run is going good. Oh yeah, it was. Okay. That is what that is. So we can just copy this whole thing, throw it in here. Instead of call, we're doing game zone collider. We're getting rid of this. We're serializing. No, we're not. Because the way we did that was... Oh, wait. No, we are. Okay. We're going to say just game zone. Oh, welcome, Germ Dove. You're going to love it. Let's see here. Game zone. Yep. We don't need we don't need to serialize the rigid body of the ball itself. That's gonna be, yeah, that's dumb. But what we do need, game zone collider, needs to be game zone dot get collider. Math is not a spoiler. He's right. He's right, you know. Okay, so that works for that. We'll call this at start. And then also on trigger enter, we will destroy coin, create a new coin. We're getting rid of this. Game zone no longer has this. We're getting rid of coin spawn here. Get rid of coin spawn completely. This might work. It doesn't keep track of your score yet, but it should work. Wait, did I only do one what now? Well, it didn't spawn one, so there's that. Value has not been assigned. Oh, yes, I need to actually tell it what the game zone is and what the spawn type is. There we go. Oh, he did one math, not a maths. All right, anybody see it? Does anybody see it? Screw gravity, I'm a ball. Oh, it's over here. What a game. It is technically a game. Also, the controls are really screwed up whenever you hit a tree. Your rotation goes crazy. And sometimes you just can't fix it. Oh, we passed it, didn't we? Wait, no, we didn't. We didn't pass it. It's up this hill. So we tried that, Germ, and it did not go well. Where, does anybody see it? I don't see it. Oh, it's right there. Literally right there. We can just get up this hill. Somewhere? Oh, there it is. Oh, jeez. Look at this beautiful landscape, Hovercat.
Beautiful.
Oh, easy does it. Easy does it.
Fine.
Coin.
Wow, congrats.
Thanks. And now there should be another coin. Yep, there we go. It works. Motion sickness the game. So there's some issues with movement. So there we go. So now every time you get a coin, another coin spawns somewhere in this big forest. Good luck. And so the other thing we would do is we could have... what could we have? Our score. Coin Roll Pro. No, it's Terrain Explore DX is the project name. So you would want to have a score manager. So empty object, score manager, and then you would want your script, your player to have access to that. I guess. So wait, right here, if I do edit preferences, regenerate project files, does that give me access to the score manager as an object? Or no? Wait, maybe? No, it doesn't. Dang. All right, well, Score Manager is going to have a script called Manage Score. We're not going to get all the niceties done, but this is part of the whole 2-hour time limit. Well, 2-hour time limit is we get better and better at the dumb stuff. Manage score. Okay, and all this does is keeps track of score, right? That's true. We had I don't know if you saw the Dabble preview, GermDove. I guess you were streaming, so probably not. So somehow Score Manager maintains a score value. And it does a thing. The sleep is... It's the lack of sleep coming. I'm gonna need to go down. It's about that time. We'll call it. If nothing else, I can show off the new Dabble stuff. This map's King Hexius plays level. Because you see, it was something that Dupu complains about. That's the joke. Little did you know that you can have so many viewer levels in an S&W stream. The entirety of Mel recreated in Dabble Worlds. Perfect. Behold, the Dupster. The reality is far, far worse. Has this ever happened to you? You want to have a fun little setup where you throw a ball at a button. Yay, what fun. But if it misses, then it's gone forever. Fret no more. Because now you can have infinite baseballs. That's right. That's one thing about this sprite that you need to know, is that it can't be killed. Dupsters really are forever. GermDove, there was something that I haven't hinted at yet that you may be interested in. This is a thing. Oh my. Double dabble. He doesn't even die to the sprite killer. That's right. Does the camera snap if you die? Well, so what happens is that if Clone Dabble dies, the game doesn't care. The game just keeps on keeping on. You only lose if Original Dabble dies. Original flavor. That said, oh, and Clone can also pick items up. Well, see, that's the thing, is in testing I found that it's very easy to get into a corner and then they overlap and then you can't even tell that you have two. So do not allow the dabbles to come into contact with one another, ever. It'll erase time, forward and backward. You cannot get out of that with Revive Wings either. It's very hard to manage both of them independently. But something else for you is the Dabot. They are, well, they're faster than your walk speed, but they don't have a run or walk speed. They have a single speed. They have one fast wheel. So their deal is that they can pick up items. But also, let's see if I can. They can also pick up other Dabots. So you can do all sorts of fun things with that. Also, as eagle-eyed viewers were quick to point out, yes, you can use these to make don't touch the ground levels. Or don't press jump levels. It's a very simple, just because they have a set jump height. They don't have min jumps or max jumps. So you can make don't jump levels with that. Or don't hold left or don't hold right, whatever you want. The question on can the duplicate be duplicated? No. So the dupster will not create another one as long as the original or the clone is alive. Oh, yes. Yeah, second dupster. Yeah, go crazy. I mean, they'll still break each other, but there you go. Do whatever kind of crazy things you want with that. There you go. The dupsters. Now and forever. Forever. Actually, it might be possible. Yeah. There is an edge case that people have pointed out about sprite killers that, due to how they interact with like the greater than or equal, less than or equal, one of those sides gets weighted one way, and so things on the left. Yeah, same with sprite, tops and bottoms. And it probably should be non-inclusive. Strictly less than, strictly greater than within the bounds of the sprite killer. Not looking to see the edges. So there you go. That's it. So enjoy that in 1.7 once that comes out. I think, much like 1.6, I will be putting out a demo for that because it's gonna be busted, I'm sure. There's gonna be something that you guys come up with that's just absolutely nightmarish. And I just don't know what it's gonna be. I'm just wondering, like, what kind of terrible thing is going to be happening as a result of this. It's like, how badly can you break this? We'll see, I guess. All right, that's it. Thank you guys for hanging out. This game did not get finished. Not Dad Worlds. I mean the Unity one. But we learned a little bit. Not a lot of it, but a little bit. The really weird thing is I feel like the force I was applying, like the direction that the force my control stick was applying, that was also changing with the rotation of the object, and that can't be right. Next time is gonna be Right. I might do a mini bonus stream tomorrow around lunchtime. Around 11 Eastern. We will see. And if so, I'm probably just going to grind out some Mario Maker. All right. That's it, everybody. Go home. Get sleep. Good night. Any parting thoughts? All right. Sleep.